Hey guys, it's Jen from Beauty Right X. So today we are doing some of my favorite skincare items. Even throughout like this horribleness of the past year to whatever. Like a lot of us, I haven't been wearing a ton of makeup, but I have not shunned my skincare in any way, shape, or form. So these items I've been using for a while and I have a good idea about how I like them and why I like them. So, okay, the first and only tool I have is a roller, but it's a like stainless steel metal roller, which I like way better than the quartz rollers or like the stone rollers because first off, I've broken like 2 or 3 of them already because they're delicate. This is impossible to break. Once in a while, like if I do drop it, this comes off, but you just put it back on and no big deal. It gets colder than the gem ones, and they're not gems, the stone ones in my opinion. And if you don't use these, I highly recommend it. I got this from Amazon. All you do is you put your skincare on, and after every step of skincare, so besides like washing, but toner, you roll it on your face, lightly, gently. Eye cream, you roll it. Serum, you roll it. Moisturizer, you roll it. After every step, I just feel like it helps press it into my skin more, penetrate. It's a fabulous addition. I highly recommend if you've never tried it. All right, and I guess I'll start with cleansing. So this isn't the one that's in my list of current favorites, but it is a favorite. But it's very expensive for what it is. So this is the Amore Pacific Treatment Enzyme Peel. So basically you wash your face first and use this afterwards, and it exfoliates really lightly. It's a water activated botanical exfoliator cleanser kind of thing. And I love this, but again, it's expensive. It's like a powder in here. So I use this sparingly. This I actually bought on a whim from like Amazon a few months, like 4 or 5 months ago, and I never touched it. And I didn't realize that it was almost the same thing. I thought it was like an exfoliator that, like a dry exfoliator that you mix with your regular cleanser or something just to add a little bit more exfoliation. No, this is the Tony Moly I'm Rice Exfoliating Enzyme Cleanser. So you don't need to cleanse first, this is the cleanser. Gentle cleansing, non-abrasive, free of artificial colors, low pH formula, which is so important. So all you do with this is you pour some in your hand, you wet it a little bit, and you massage into your skin for about 20 to 30 seconds, same as this, but this is the cleanser and the exfoliator. Oh my God. My face feels exactly the same after I use both of these. So I will never repurchase this, and I will keep repurchasing this because it's incredible. Both powders, but this is the cleanser and the exfoliator, enzyme peel type thing. This is just the exfoliator, and it's more expensive. So a nice little dupe. And just so you know, everything I talk about today will be listed in the box below. There's no affiliated links or anything. I don't have that kind of backing behind me. Okay, the next is a essence. So you would cleanse first, tone, and then use an essence. And this is like the follow-up toner slash really light serum. So this is from another K-beauty brand. This is the Hanskin Real Complexion Hyaluron Skin Essence 5-in-1. Moisturizing, skin glowing, skin boosting, skin balancing, skin softening. Free of horrible things. I always forget how much I love essences until I bring them back in because they're not the easiest to get your hands on really. Oh, but this is amazing. So I put my toner on, press it in, do my roller, put this on, press it in, use my roller, and it's just an added level of protection. It helps for the rest of your the rest of your skincare to absorb better. Amazing, amazing. And I mean, there's a million different kinds around. You just have to kind of really look for them. All right, so the next is serum, and this is the new co, the Pill All-in-One Serum with AHA, vitamin C, and HA. Everything your skin needs in a single dose, 27 toxic ingredients. Oh, well, I was like, wait, what? 27 non-toxic ingredients, including glycolic acid, lactic acid, hyaluronic acid, tiger grass to deeply hydrate, resurface, plump, and tighten the skin. 2 pumps after, I would do it after my essence. This is my like nighttime toner. Oh, so good. I hate that it's so fucking small though. Like, I mean, it's a serum, so like, okay, and this is expensive. I got this from Ipsy, but like I went to go look. These are expensive, so I'm definitely gonna see if people are like getting rid of them because I would absolutely buy more. Although I don't need to buy more. If you saw my fucking skincare closet, you'd understand what I'm saying. All right, the next is from The Ordinary. And I love The Ordinary because they're very affordable and it's just like straight to the point stuff. Like, no, like, this is special looking, blah, blah, blah. Again, I love that it looks like, I don't know, medicine. Okay, so this is the 100% niacinamide powder. Gives you a little scoop with it and add to a water-based treatment in the palm of your hand, emulsify, and apply after morning or night. So I would put this in either my toner or my essence and just like a little scoop, and my skin looks so like bright and smooth and just clear the next day. I mean, I'm a huge fan of this. To be honest, when I first bought it, I thought this was the vitamin C version of their powder. And I didn't realize literally after like 2 or 3 months that it wasn't vitamin C, it was niacinamide. But huge fan, love, love, love. All right, the next is a mask. And I always have a really hard time finding any kind of non-clay hydrating mask. I don't know why, I just can never find one. And I hate like peel off masks, like I just think they're fucking horrible. I found this at Marshall's. This was $4.99. This is the Versed Looking Alive Hydrating Plumping Mask. It has rosehip seed oil, which is amazing for your skin, and aloe leaf juice. Again, aloe is amazing for your skin. You get about 12 applications out of this, which I thought for $5 is pretty good. It's made for dryness and aging skin, me. And this is a brand that like you get at like Target, and I'm gonna actually look and see how much it actually retails for there, but I know it's more than $5. Okay, so soothing gel mask, plant-based collagen, alternative to nourish, smooth, plump, and moisturize. And I liked it because it says a gel, but it's almost like a serum-y kind of gel. Like it's not just a clear gel, which I don't know why. I just feel like those don't really work. It's like a creamy type gel. So you put it on dry skin, clean, 15 minutes, wash off, and it really made my skin feel really nice and hydrated. My skin doesn't often feel like crazy dry, but with the colder months coming, it's inevitable. So this mask, I feel we got from BoxyCharm, like recently, in the last months ago, something like that. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Hyaluronic Clay Pore-Tight Facial. So I use this when I feel like my skin feels or looks kind of congested. If I've been wearing a lot of makeup, which is usually just for videos. If like I have a breakout or something, even though this is clay based, it's a thin clay. And it actually reminds me of a better version of the Glam Glow probiotic mask that I also got like BoxyCharm. I feel like this is more hydrating and I can see a difference more, like it's brightening almost, I don't know. But I love this, I think this is fantastic. And if I don't know if I would pay full price for it, but I am loving it while I have it. The next is pimple patches, and I don't have the box with me unfortunately, but this is from Alba Botanicals and it's like an organic kind of brand. I found these again at Marshall's or TJ Maxx something. I'll write exactly what they're called. I don't have the box, but they're the pimple patches. And I used to love the CosRX Master Patches. Amazing for pimples. You put one on at night or during the, like I go out in these fuckers because you can't see them and it almost like blends your blemish into your face so it's just not as noticeable. You put this on overnight, you know, throughout the day, whatever, and your pimple is like reduced by half. It's incredible. Love, love, love. And it also stops you from touching it. I'm a toucher. Like if I have a whitehead, dear God, don't let me near it. Like, I can't even stop myself. Next is from Honest Beauty, and this is the Clearing Night Serum with Honestly Pure Retinol, salicylic acid acne treatment. This is awesome. So I used to love, Mario Badescu has a drying pimple cream, which I used to love because it works so well, but it used to dry the shit out of my face. And I know mostly when we see a pimple, we're like, okay, dry it out, don't moisturize, whatever. No, 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 we've been getting it wrong, or at least I have. This is a moisturizing pimple cream. And I just put it on like, if I have a pimple right here, I would just put it on this part of my chin. I don't just do like one tiny dot on it. I put it on this part of my face, wherever my pimple is, and then the rest I will do the normal whatever I do. This works so friggin' good. It's not drying at all. It has the retinol in it, which also helps clean and detoxify, whatever, new skin. So friggin' good. Love, love, love. And the last thing is by LANEIGE, and this is one of the only items like this I've ever seen. This is the Water Bank Dual Layer Face Oil for normal to dry skin. And I love it because it's half oil and half like something else. I don't exactly know what it is, but it's like either a really light oil and then a thicker oil, but you shake it and then do a few drops, and it's an amazing, amazing product. It's hydrating without feeling greasy. It actually absorbs into your skin. Oh my God, I used to like under my eyes, my neck, my décolleté, ugh, I die over this, I die. So that was it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any skincare favorites you'd like to share with me, please do so. Any comments, likes always helps my channel and all the other channels you watch. Spread the love. Make sure to like, subscribe, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.